Welcome to the Anglo-Saxon Chronicles podcast, where we delve into the rich history, culture, and legacy of the Anglo-Saxons. In today's episode, we'll explore their migration to England, the formation of kingdoms, and the impact of their language. The Anglo-Saxons were made up of three tribes: the Anglo, Saxon, and Jute. They were Germanic tribes who migrated to England between the 5th and 6th centuries, and formed several independent kingdoms. Over time, 7 main kingdoms developed, forming the so-called Heptarchy, made up of East Anglia, Essex, Kent, Mercia, Northumbria, Sussex, and Wessex. Some of them still mark counties or regional names today. Anglo-Saxons were farmers and deep-sea fishermen who lived in wooden houses built near streams or rivers, and they were also organized into family groups. They used the runic alphabet, and their most important social bond was loyalty. The Anglo-Saxon period saw the spread of Christianity, and the monks and Augustine played a pivotal role. He was sent by Pope Gregory I the Great to bring back Christianity to England. Much of what we know about the Anglo-Saxons is based on the ecclesiastical history of the English people, written by the monk Venerable Bede, that was the first to use the word England, meaning Angleland or the land of the Angles. Sutton Hoo in Suffolk is the most important Anglo-Saxon archaeological site. It contained the famous Sutton Hoo helmet now displayed in the British Museum in London. The epic poem Beowulf also represents a cultural artifact that provides insight into the values, beliefs, and social structure of the Anglo-Saxons and their language. The Old English. A Beowulf is a warrior and embodies the virtues of the hero, like strength, courage, generosity, and hospitality. But what about women in Anglo-Saxon society? They had limited rights and freedoms compared to men. They were often excluded from inheritance and property ownership, and their legal status was tied to that of their husbands or fathers. Women could not inherit land or titles, and were generally unable to own property. As we conclude our journey through the Anglo-Saxon Chronicles, we reflect on the enduring legacy of this remarkable civilization. From their epic poems and the language we speak today. The word woman, for example, comes from the Old English wif, meaning weave. Some places names ending in ing, meaning folk-like in Reading, or ham meaning farm-like Birmingham, or ton meaning settlement like Southampton.